2 months. That's all I can say. It's been 2 months. And I'm bored, so I'm just going to say these words. It's snowing, which is unusual for England. It is, what temperature? Oh no, I didn't know. What's the temperature? Oh no, let me on. Jesus Christ. Ah. God, this is going to take a while. It is -3 in Burton, where I live. It's snowing. I already said that. And it's going to be like that for the majority of the day. Like, it's going to go crazy at 7, from what I can tell. But like, yeah. It's been too long. I started writing stories on Quotab. But I'm not going to give you the link. Ever. Oh yeah, I do have to clips constantly. Yeah, I do. I hate my... No, I hate my lips. They're like really sticky outy and stuff. No, I got told like I automatically go into like duck face mode when I pause for a while. Look. See? Pouty mode. Stop. Face. Stop it. Anyway. No. I got Wretched and Divine on iTunes. Yay. Yeah. The world didn't end. Like I said in my 2 months ago video. The world won't end, and it didn't, so, you know. Oh, my screen just froze. Screen, unfreeze. That worked. So yeah. I just thought I'd come and say hi, and I'll probably put a video up on Saturday or something, I don't know. About a topic. Not just a random hello video. But yeah, 2 months. That's 8 weeks. I've been in Noriega recently. I like his channel. He's funny. Danny Noriega. He was on American Idol. Season 6, I think. Pretty sure. But yeah, it's snowing and it's been too long. So I'm going to say bye now, because I've been here for 3 minutes and this is just wasting your time. But I'll be back soon. Trust me, I will actually be back tomorrow. Creepy. Goodbye.